Yoga is like music, the rhythm of the body, the melody of the mind, and the harmony of the soul create the symphony of life. What is yoga? Yoga is essentially a spiritual discipline based on an extremely subtle science which focuses on bringing harmony between mind and body. It is an art and science for healthy living. The word yoga is derived from the Sanskrit root yuj, meaning to join, to yog, or to unite. According to yogic scriptures, the practice of yoga leads to the union of an individual consciousness with the universal consciousness. According to modern scientists, everything in the universe is just a manifestation of the same quantum firmament. Yoga also refers to an inner science comprising of a variety of methods through which human beings can achieve union between the body and mind to attain self-realization. While addressing the 69th session of United Nations General Assembly on September 27, 2014, the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, urged the world community to adopt an International Day of Yoga. The first International Yoga Day was celebrated in 2015, and by this time we are celebrating the 6th event of this peaceful and spiritual practice. In this modern world of 21st century, our environment is struggling for endurance and survival, and we human beings suffer from more and more physical and psychological stress and strains. We cannot always control them, but we can find out the ways to face them, and to this end, yoga is a good creation. Today, on the occasion of 6th International Day of Yoga, Seth Anandram Jaipuria School, Varanasi, presents before you some yogasanas for encouraging you and spreading the awareness about the benefits of yoga in our lives and society. व्यायामात् लभते स्वास्थ्यं दीर्घायुष्यं बलं सुखम आरोग्यम परमं भाग्यम स्वास्थ्यम सर्वार्थ साधनम। अर्थात व्यायाम से स्वास्थ्य, लंबी आयु, बल और सुख की प्राप्ति होती है। निरोगी होना परम भाग्य है और स्वास्थ्य से अन्य सभी कार्य सिद्ध होते हैं।
Surya Namaskar. The meaning of Surya Namaskar is salutation to the sun. It is a practice in yoga which involves 12 graceful linked asanas. It maintains the equilibrium of body, promoting self-healing, removing negative energies, and enhancing personal power. Different steps involved in Surya Namaskar are Pranam Asana, Hastotana Asana, Padhastasana, Ashvasanchalan, Dand Asana, Ashtang Namaskar Asana, Bhujang Asana, Parvat Asana, Ashvasanchalan, Padhastasana, Hastotana Asana, Pranam Asana. Third asana, also referred to as palm tree pose. Stand erect with your feet slightly apart and raise your arms above the head. Breathe steadily. Distribute your body weight evenly on the feet. Lock your fingers with palms upwards. Stand on your toes. Stretch upwards as much as you can. Hold the pose as long as you can. Breathe out and return to your starting position. Turn your upper thighs slightly inwards. Elongate your tailbone towards the floor and lift your pubis towards your navel. Look upwards. Now breathe in and stretch your shoulders, arms, and chest upwards. Raise your heels. Your weight should be balanced on the toes. Feel the stretch in your body right from your feet to your head. Hold the pose for a few seconds and exhale. You should make sure that while doing this pose, you don't tuck your tailbone and flatten your lumbar spinal curve. Doing this pushes your hips forward and prevents you from forming a long line from your feet to the top of the head. Benefits: it steadies breathing and enhances the nervous system, strengthening your ability to focus. It improves posture. Ardha Chakrasana. Stand straight with both feet together. Hold your hips with your hands. Bend backwards without bending your knees with slow inhalation. Remain in this pose for some time. Do it 2 or 3 times. Benefits: it helps to make ankles, thigh, shoulders, chest, spine, and abdomen stronger. It relieves stress and tension. Padhastasana. Bend forward until the fingers or palms of the hands touch the floor on either side of the feet. Try to touch the knees with the forehead. Do not strain. Keep the knees straight. Exhale with bending forward. Try to contract the abdomen in the final position to expel the maximum amount of air from the lungs. Benefits: it improves digestion and reduces constipation. It cures many stomach ailments. It improves blood circulation. Trikonasana. First of all, stand with your legs apart. Then raise the arms sideways up to the shoulder level. Bend the trunk sideways and raise the right hand upward. Touch the ground with left hand behind left foot. After some time, do the same asana with opposite arms in the same way. Benefits: it increases mental and physical equilibrium. It helps in increasing height. Sukhasana. Sit down with the legs straight in front of the body. After that, bend the right leg and place the foot under the left thigh. Then bend the left leg and keep the foot under the right thigh. Place the hands on the knees. Chin should be in. Keep the head, neck, and back straight. Close the eyes. Relax your body. Benefits: it calms your mind. It enhances your peace of mind. Paschimottanasana Asana. Sit on the ground with legs forward. Then hold the toes of your feet with the fingers of both hands. Then breathe out slowly and try to touch the knees with your forehead. After that, breathe in slowly. Raise your hand upwards and come to the prayer position. Perform this asana at least 10 to 12 times. Benefits: it reduces obesity. It is helpful in all abdominal disorders. Padmasana. First of all, sit in a squat position. Place the right foot on the left thigh so that the heel of the right foot may touch the hip bone of the left thigh. Then lift the left foot and in the same way keep it on the right thigh. The backbone should be straight and erect. Place your arms on the knees. After practicing it for few days, it becomes easy to perform this asana. Benefits: it calms the brain. It helps to relax the body. Parvatasana. Sit in Padmasana or lotus pose. Stretch your arms sideways and bring them over your head slowly. After that, let your palms touch each other. Then stretch your hands well without bending your elbows. Keep your spine erect. Benefits: it helps in enhancing height. It helps in reducing back pain. Vajrasana. It is a meditative asana. Kneel down on the ground or floor with your knees, ankles and toes touching the ground. Your toes should be stretched backwards. Now, place your palms of your hands on the knees. The upper body should be straight. At this time, the breathing should be deep, even and slow. Then, expand your chest forward and pull your abdominal portion inwards. Benefits: it is helpful in improving concentration. It removes mental stress. Shashank Asana. Sit in Vajra Asana. Place hands on the thighs. Keep the upper body straight and relaxed while inhaling. Raise both the arms above the head. Keep them straight and shoulder width apart. Exhale while bending the trunk forward from the hips, keeping the arms and head straight and in line with the trunk. Then hands and forehead should rest on the floor in front of the knees. Bend the arms slightly so that they are fully relaxed and let the elbows rest on the floor. Retain breath for up to 5 seconds in the final position. At the same time, inhale and slowly raise the arms and trunk to the vertical position. Pavan Mukta Asana. Lie down on your back on a plain surface. Keep your feet together and place your arms beside your body. Take a deep breath. When you exhale, bring your knees towards your chest. At the same time, press your thighs on your abdomen. Clasp your hands around your legs. Hold the asana when you breathe normally. Every time you inhale, ensure that you loosen the grip. Exhale and release the pose after you rock and roll from side to side about 3 times. Benefits: it eases the tension in lower back. It relieves constipation. Bhujanga Asana. In this asana, the shape of the body remains like a snake. That is why it is called Bhujanga Asana. In order to perform this asana, lie down on the belly on the ground. Keep your hands near the shoulders. Keep your legs close together. Now straighten up your arms slowly. Raise the chest. Your head should be backwards. Keep this position for some time. Then come to the former position. For good results, perform this asana 3 to 5 times. Benefits: it provides strength and agility. It gives relief from disorders of urinary bladder. Shavasana. Lie down in the supine position. Legs should be straight. Keep the arms away from the body. Leave all the limbs loose as well as relaxed. Gradually, breathe in deeply. Close your eyes and think that your whole body is becoming loose. Feel a complete relaxation in your body. Remain in this position for 10 to 12 minutes. Benefits: it strengthens the nervous system. It controls high blood pressure.